So we're still on Captain Morgan's tonight, so the spiced one, Spice Gold. Any gold run, I happen to have the Captain. So we're going to start with not one, not two, not three, but 4 measures of Captain Morgan, because we're doing a double shot again. So for that we need to add 1 lime, the juice of, don't want the whole lime, and a bit of ice. This is called a Copacabana. It's one I happen to enjoy very much. But then we both enjoy, can't hear me when I do this, we both enjoy the ginger ones. And I always get loads of limes. So, baby, I love you. I mean, shake it a bit faster. You shake it to the Ace of Spades, or, you know, something like Run of the Hills, you know. But that's a bit excessive, really, to do such a thing. So, now we've done that, we're just going to add, before we pour it out, 6 shots of ginger ale. Now, you may, if you're very good with your eyes, spot that what I have in here is diet ginger ale. Pointless. I've lost count. Is that number 3? I think so. That's only because Morrison's ran out of the normal ginger ale. I hate diet stuff, so I'm not encouraging you to do that at all. So give it a quick stir, because you don't want to shake that stuff, it goes everywhere. And there is your Coca-Cola, chin chin.